Hi, I'm Yusuf. In this video, we will look at hole chamfer milling. As you can see on the picture, we mill the chamfer with countersink tool. We click OK. We look our tool. It's a standard countersink tool. In this operation, we will take attention to these tracking points: CSS, CL tip, CYC OD chamfer, CYC CL shoulder. They are arranged from here. You can add new set and create a new thing, but I don't recommend you. We will always use CYS CL tip. We choose the chamfer and we can see that the inner diameter is already finished. Okay, we just click generate. We can see that the tool is milling the chamfer. But you can ask that how we will arrange the distance of the tooltip. We are arranging from here. Chamfer reference minimum diameter, it's this small diameter, and this maximum diameter is this greater diameter. The offset will be 1 millimeter. No, it will be 3 millimeter offset. Let's measure it. Projected distance from here to here. It is 3 millimeters. If you change it to maximum diameter, it will reference this greater circle. So you must change it to 6 to get the same result as in minimum diameter and 3. They are the same thing. That's all for chamfer, hole chamfer milling. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, please ask on comments, and if you like the video, please click the like button.